how to turn on edits to your posts notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on edits to your posts notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here we'll find, let's go back first, and here you will find this three lines. Click on it and then click pages and select your page, and then just click this settings icon in the top corner, and then click this one here, notifications, and now select your this one on Facebook, and here you will find it. It's to post you have written. Just you will find it like that and click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.